Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Here we have for sale an absolutely gorgeous 1998 Toyota Camry LE with 58,000 original miles. An absolutely gorgeous car from the land of the unicorns. All original, 58,000 miles, owned and operated in California. Just a stunning example of this car. Hard to find, low miles, just giving you a quick walk around here. Just about a perfect body on it. Take a look at the interior. It's gorgeous. No rips, no tears. Seats, the carpet, everything's like brand new. And the dash, it's just this car was just extremely well taken care of. Which are the kind of cars that we target here at McCartney Motor Cars. Go to the other side real quick. By the way, this car has been fully serviced. Smog inspection's been completed, a full safety inspection, including a fresh oil change, brand new tires, new front brakes. You can read the description in the ad for more details. The original owner's manuals. Look at that. Just super clean. Go over here to the other side. Just not a rip, not a stain, tear, nothing anywhere. Hope you can see it. It might not represent as well as it will in person on this video, but trust me, this is like looking at a brand new car without the brand new car price. And you don't have to order this car. This car is available for sale right now. Check out under the hood. Super clean, no leaks. Like I said, fresh oil change, all the service has been done. That battery's only 5 months old. Fresh oil change, all the services are done. Check out the trunk. Super clean. Look at that. I'll fire it up for you. There you go. 58,124 miles. Radio works. Haven't checked the tape deck, old school. Air blows ice cold, heater works. Cigarette lighter, back in the days when cigarette lighters came with cars, look at, never even used. Car's never been smoked in. Let alone, I don't think ate in or drank in. Just super clean. Sorry about the jiggly video. We do one take videos here, no editing. There you go. Oh, clean California title and clean Carfax, by the way, too. All California owned and operated. See all the other descriptions on our website. Thank you.